5.1 points, lines, and their graphs. So when we are doing this, we are looking at a coordinate plane. We have to remember where our origin is, which is that middle point, that 0, 0 point, our x-axis, which is our horizontal axis, and our y-axis, which is our vertical axis. When we look at these points, we want to make sure we remember that we are going right or left before we go up or down. So it's always our x, then our y for these ordered pairs. If we look at example A, we have negative 5, 3. We're graphing this point. So we're going to go to the left 5 and then up 3. And our point is going to be right here. For B, we have 1, 7. So we're going to go to the right 7 and then we're going to go up 7. We're going to go to the right 1, then up 7. For our next set of examples, we are also telling what quadrant they lie in. So we want to start with the first quadrant, that is on the top right, then second, third, and fourth. These go counterclockwise, so the opposite way that a clock runs. So with these, we are plotting the points, labeling them, and telling which quadrant they lie in. So for example A, we have point A, which is negative 2, 4. We're going to go to left 2, up 4, plot the point, label it A, and that is in quadrant 2. For B, we have 4, negative 2. So we're going to go to the right 4, down 2, and that is in quadrant 4. Label it B. Quadrant 4. For C, this is point C. So this is going to be negative 3, negative 2. So we're going to go to left 3, down 2. Plot the point, label it C, and that is in quadrant 3. Oops. And then we have 8, 0, which 8, 0 is on the x-axis, so it's just the x-axis. If it ever lies on one of the axes, either the x-axis or the y-axis, it is just giving the x-axis or the y-axis that it lies on. If we look at our next set of examples, we are graphing these linear equations by finding your x and your y intercepts. Your x-intercept, you always plug in. It's always going to be the point something comma 0. So you can plug in 0 for your y to find your x-intercept. So to find your x-intercept, plug in 0 for y. So we're going to use the formula that's given to us. The 2x minus 3 times 0 is equal to 6. And so now the 2x is equal to 6. Move the 2 over by dividing it. We get that x is 3. So this is the ordered pair 3, 0. So 3, 0 is here on the coordinate plane. And then we're going to find the y-axis, or the y-intercept too. So to find the y-intercept, we're going to plug in 0 for x. So use the same formula. We're going to have 2 times 0 minus 3y is equal to 6. 2 times 0 is 0. Negative 3y is equal to 6. Divide by 3 on both, the negative 3 on both sides. We get that y is negative 2. So this is the ordered pair 0, negative 2. So on our coordinate plane, 0, negative 2 is here. And then we're just going to draw a line through those 2 points. Make sure that the line has arrows at the top and bottom of it. And then we're done. For example 4, we have x is equal to negative 2. So our line goes through negative 2 on the x-axis. So our negative 2 on the x-axis is here. Our line would just go straight through that point. And we have arrows at the top and the bottom. So if it's an x is equal to, it's going to be a vertical line through that value on the x-axis. If it's a y is equal to, like example 5, we're going to have a horizontal line through that number on the y-axis. So if we look here, we have y is equal to 3. 3 is here on your y-axis. We're drawing the line right through that point with the arrows to represent that line.